Hello everyone, welcome to this discussion to the load line convention and its rule ensuring the ship's stability. I am your host Marcos Ibay and I'll be guiding you through this important topic. So, what is load line convention? Load line convention is also known as the International Convention on Load Line. It's a set of the rules that govern the minimum freeboard requirements for ships. So, the convention main objective is to ensure that ships have sufficient freeboard to prevent flooding and maintain stability in various weather conditions. So, what are the objectives of the load line convention? The main objectives are to ensure that ships have sufficient freeboard to prevent flooding. Next, to provide a uniform system of freeboard regulation. So the last is to ensure that ships are designed and constructed to withstand various weather and conditions. Now, let's talk about the different markings required by the load line convention. These markings are essential to ensuring the ship's stability is maintained. The marking include is the load line mark. So this mark indicates the maximum draft of the ship. Next, the freeboard mark. This mark indicates the minimum freeboard required. Then the third is the timber load line mark. This mark indicates the maximum draft for timber cargoes. And the fourth, the winter load line mark. This mark indicates the maximum draft for winter conditions. In addition to these marking, ships are also required to carry a load line certificates. The certificate is issued by the Ship Flag State Administration and confirm that the ship complies with the load line convention requirements. So, that's all for today's discussion on the load line convention and its role to ensuring a ship's stability. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching.